Hello, it's Amanda Ramsay from Secrets from a Beauty Insider. It's me and my super freckly face. Now I like to use natural light for my videos because I think that's the truest representation of what I actually look like. I thought today what I would do is a red lip and a gold eye and some beautiful glowy golden skin. So let's do it. I like to start with my eyes because if I make a boo-boo, then it's not all over my foundation. I don't have to start my foundation all over again. Do you know what I mean? So this is called Golden Bronze by Bobbi Brown. It's a long wear cream shadow stick. Yes, I am obsessed with these because they do make life super simple. And I'm all about a bit of the stick, just whack it on. So it's got this beautiful metallic glow, but I just find that it doesn't sit in the crinkly wrinklies. So lids just look polished and pulled together and like you've made a massive effort. But guess what? It took you like, what, a minute? Maybe? I'm going to take a colour called, I think it's called Amber Lights from MAC. You can see it's much loved. It's that one that's almost empty. It's just a really nice gold colour on one of my brushes. And I'm just going to really do a wash of colour all over the eye. On a small brush, like that. Just a little bit of it and just run it underneath the eye. I do find running colour under the eye, even though you might be scared of doing it, is important to really balance your eyes, particularly if you have more of a hooded eye like me, where the skin's coming forward. Fluffy brush. And we're just going to do the other eye. Right, start it. See where that line is? You sort of don't want to come beyond that. So work in first. But the brushes do make it super simple because they do all the work for you. This sort of, it's called, Butter Pecan, this kind of champagne-y colour in the tear duct. Yeah. What I'm going to do is just take this really soft fluffy brush with no colour on it at all, and now I'm just going to go back in and just make sure that everything is softly blended. Okay, soft and diffused is the mantra when you're over 40. I think hard lines can be quite aging. So to thicken up my lash line, I'm just going to take a little bit of this. It's called Power Surge by MAC and it's just a beautiful gold. You just see it's just created a little bit more of a cat eye thing going on there. Take your little brush. Now we're blending, softening the lines. Take the fluffoir again and just, oh, this brush, honestly, I am in love with it. I sell these brushes, PS. So I've got a kit. I call it my essential makeup brush kit because it's just 5 brushes and they're all you need, in my humble professional makeup artist opinion, to do your makeup. 5 brushes. And there's 2 that are sort of these eyeshadow brushes. This really soft, super soft brush, which is great for just blending everything. And that's great for placing, but it's also a nice soft brush that you can blend your shadow with. And then there's another, this is the other eyeshadow one, so you get those 3. And this is just for doing those little fine detail bits. I use for brows and lips. And then there's a blush / bronze contour brush, which I haven't got to hand. So you get those 5 brushes for $49.95. Which is pretty good. So that's kind of my eyes. You would then probably curl your lashes and put some mascara on, but with my lash extensions, I can't do that. I'm actually going to use a bit of Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Oops, which is just squirted everywhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start in the center of your face and blend out. And then don't forget to come down your neck. So I'm just going to go back in now and add a little bit more where I think I need a bit more coverage. So my cheeks, forehead, probably my nose. Just a little bit of lift for the under eye, a little bit of brightening. The golden tube of amazingness called Touche Éclat. This is Radiant Touch number 2. If you've done one of my classes, you know this is one of my must-have products, and this is one of the tricks I teach you in my everyday makeup class, because yes, here we go. This is where we get an instant eye lift. Really sort of clean up your eyeshadow as well. You can use your finger as you put that highlighter on and just tidy up that line so you make sure that your eyes are being lifted up. And yeah, very high tech, use your fingers. So fine. Okay, it's a stiller colour, much loved again. Don't know what it's called, but I'll find it and put it in the comments. NARS called Maldives. And it's just a sort of champagne-y gold. Just put a little bit on my finger. The Hush kind of did the trick. Touch under, just a tiny bit under my brow bone, just to lift the brow. A little bit on Cupid's bow and lower part of your lip will just give the illusion of a fuller lip. I'm just going to give my brows a brush. And just fill them in a little bit with this Bobbi Brown long wear brow pencil in grey, deeply offensive, but that's my colour. It's great for ashy blondes. The other thing I love about this product is this, ta-da! Brushing the product through after you've penciled in will just make them look, your brows look more natural. Going to just get a bit of shape with this called Ruby Woo. Now when wearing red lipstick and you want it to last a little bit longer, line, then do your lipstick, then line again. I know, it's a little bit of a faff, but it will help with the staying power. I think I'm going to go Relentlessly Red because I'm obsessed with this colour. Yeah, what do you think? Let's see. Let's take you off here. Have a look a bit closer. So I hope you feel more confident with your makeup, have fun with your makeup again, and you know, just feel a little bit better about how you look going into your day, night, whatever it is. All right, lots of love from me. Hope you've enjoyed it. Bye for now.